Hello from the Appalachian Trail. Or just off the Appalachian Trail. I'm near Spring, about a quarter mile off the trail. It's day 7, and it's lunchtime for me, so about 1 o'clock or so. So there's a nice little stream over here. The map said, or the guide said it was 0.1 miles, but it's more like a quarter mile downhill, which means I have to go uphill. So anyway, I get my water filter going there. What I do, the first thing I do is I fill up my big platypus. That platypus is 3 liters. Only need 1 liter now till my next break. Then I hook up my Renovo water filter and then hook up a bottle. And it's dripping slowly, but it takes about 20 minutes, which is enough because usually my lunch breaks are an hour anyway. Today might be a little faster. And then you can see my washcloth and my towel hanging up to dry. Um, for correction, I don't know if anybody caught that, but a couple videos ago, I mentioned the waxing moon. But the moon in the morning these days, last couple of days, it's actually waning. So it's a waning moon, not a waxing moon. Anybody caught that? So didn't get to see the moon today. I've got some overcast weather. Definitely get some rain coming tomorrow. So this will be tomorrow when I wake up in the morning. It'll be the first time I see rain. It'll be day 8. Kind of surprised. So here I am sitting down. I just find a nice spot. I take off my shoes. I won't show you my feet, but my socks are hanging up on a little branch to dry. I got my shoes over here with the inserts out drying. It's not raining or muddy. I haven't even got wet socks yet after 7 days. It's unbelievable. But just airing them out because it's been 7 days. So last night was good. It was the perfect night. It was 40 degrees like all night long. Dinner time, there wasn't any wind. I actually stayed at a shelter or near a shelter. There's campsites next to the shelter. And I actually made my dinner with a wood fire. I used my Emberlit. It was my backup stove. Really easy to make a wood stove. Get some kindling, couple little pieces of wood, and I actually used my my saw. I have a hand saw and my Mora blade to cut up the wood and to split the wood into little pieces. Worked pretty good. So this is my Light My Fire Mora blade, a Swedish blade. This thing is awesome. With the sheath, it weighs 4 ounces. And at the end pops out, and you have your little fire starter with a sparker. So I have cotton balls soaked in Vaseline, and you open that thing up, get the cotton fibers, and let spark in there. Lights up in 5 or 10 minutes or so. I got dinner. So I made my hot chocolate and my, I think I had Mountain House chicken and rice again last night. It was good. The only thing, and what I do is it has soot. So what you do is, what I do is I take my soap. I have some Dr. Bronner's soap, and I coat the bottom and the side of the pan with soap. So when the soot gets all over it, when you're done, you just take a paper towel and wipe it off. It does get messy though because that soot gets on your fingers. So I have to figure out a way to get better at that, which I will. So this morning I woke up. It was overcast for the first time, so I didn't see the moon or the planets or anything in the sky for that matter. But it was warm and it was not windy, so that was a nice change. I actually enjoyed breakfast this morning. So this morning I had some coconut milk and granola cereal. No, I had oatmeal today with a cup of coffee and my vitamins, of course. So today it's peanut butter and tortillas. And what I did was I got some good peanut butter. I got the no mix natural peanut butter. The natural peanut butter, normally you have to mix it, but I got the no mix. It makes it easy to work with. And I put them in these little plastic bags. So this is two tablespoons. I use 1 tablespoon on 1 piece of tortilla. And then I have another bag of, actually today it was homemade fig jelly from Myunga. So thank you, Myunga. So I got peanut butter and fig jelly tortillas today for lunch. And of course, always have my misukaru and superfood smoothie. So, well, today's day 7, so that means yesterday was January 6th. It was my anniversary. Hayobo. Miss ya, love ya. I know I talked to you yesterday. I talked to you on the 5th. I wanted to call on the 5th just in case I don't have cell service on the 6th. But I've had cell service every day, almost everywhere. So the satellite phone that I got to text, I didn't really have to use it. The only thing I'm using it for is mapping my location as I go for my lunch break and my camp. So that's twice a day. And then I just check in home on my cell phone. So, hey, Bo, love you. Sorry we missed the anniversary, but see, I'm gonna miss New Year's and your anniversary, our anniversary so far. There's gonna be a lot of other things I'm gonna miss in the next 8 months, but we'll make up for it. So this is the view here. I'm just off a dirt road, so that's pretty nice.